Dimana guys, welcome back again to my channel. Okay, first of all, you guys, I just want to say thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for always supporting me by watching my videos, liking and commenting. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate you guys so much. All right, so you already saw on the intro that I was wearing this outfit that I'm currently wearing. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made this outfit, because like I made it out of a 12 thread 1 meter fabric, and on top of that I didn't use the whole 1 meter fabric, I used half of it. So can you believe it that I made this outfit out of a 12 thread fabric? Let me just say half of 12, which is 6 thread. I made this outfit out of a 6 thread fabric. Can you believe it? Alright, yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for you today, guys. And then don't forget to comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So without wasting your time, I'm just gonna get right into the video.
The materials here are handheld sewing machine, scissor, zip. This is the hard fabric, and usually people use this kind of fabric to make traditional clothes. What I did first was to cut it in. The top that I'm making here, it's not gonna be more detailed because it's more similar to the 3 tops that I already posted here on YouTube. Go check on my very first fashion DIY video, and then check on the silk outfit, the top, and also check on the recent fashion DIY, the one that I was refashioning the skirt. Those 3 tops, they are more similar to this one, so go and check on how I was making the tops.